Hello everyone, this is the Noble Artist here bringing you another video. It has been a little while. It's been a minute since my last video. But I'm bringing back a really cool, awesome, epic thing that we had a lot of fun with before, so I hope y'all are getting excited for that. So anyone who is new to my channel, this is a new concept. You may have seen the old videos but have never participated. But I am bringing back the Monday You Pick I Paint. That is right, the epic, the infamous, the You Pick I Paint series is coming back. So what's going to happen is I'm going to show a picture. Once I edit it, I got to put it all together, but I'm going to show a picture probably at the end of this video or now, I don't know, it's going to be somewhere in here. It's going to show all the paints that I have available for this series, I guess. And each color is going to be represented by a number, and you're going to pick, you can pick up to 5, don't go over 5, and you can pick less, you can pick 1 or 2, it doesn't matter. Pick up to 5 colors. And then I'll show you another picture of all the figures that I have, so all the options of figures. So I'll have like Mandalorians, clones, stormtroopers, snowtroopers, etc, etc. Some of them I don't want to, I only have like 2 of, you know, the snowtroopers, and certain figures I only have a few amount, so I'll probably save those for other customs. But for the majority of it, I'll have the known clones and whatnot to work with. So that's going to be also represented by numbers, but you can easily say, you know, the names of the colors, and then I want a Mandalorian or this, that, and the other. And then the weapon, you give them a pistol, give them an axe, give them, you know, a crazy weapon. You can make up something, go for it. If not, I will come up with something on my own. So whatever details you leave out, I will fill in the blank for those. Leave a comment with the number, so please don't say, I want green, blue, red, blah, blah, because that's really confusing, because you can see right here I have 5 reds, or five reds. See right there? See, I'm already confused. I have 5 greens, so I'm going to show you a number. So please say the number, because each number is going to correlate with a color. Actually, I have more greens than that. I got some tester's green over here. So please just give me the numbers that you want. I'll figure out which colors those are. Let me know what figure you want it on. And then if you want a weapon, like I said, let me know. If not, then I'll make something. Like if you want a crowbar. For some reason, I have no idea what this is from the advent calendar. I don't know who he's supposed to be. Maybe I didn't read it right or read it at all, if this character had a name or is from something, but they have a crowbar. But anyway, it's up to you. If you want a crowbar, by all means, I'll make the best crowbar the LEGO community has ever seen. So anyway, that's going to be that. This is going to reoccur every Monday. Today is Monday, so this is going to be obviously the first one. So what's going to happen is I'll have 1 week to finish this custom. So submit your figures, or submit your ideas for colors, your color schemes, or what would you have. And what's going to happen is I would like for you to vote on those. So basically put your design or what you want me to make down in a comment, and then just go find someone else's and give them a thumbs up or like theirs. I'm basically going to pick the most popular design, and if that's only going to, you know, I did this before and not a lot of people like to do that, because obviously you want to see yours at the top or yours picked, and no one really wanted to vote for anybody else. But you know, if you have a good design and a lot of people want to see it, then I want to make that. So if you could be so kind to leave your own and then vote for somebody else's, and then, you know, people get to know people that way, and then pretty soon yours will get voted. So you do it enough times, and who knows, we can do this for everybody. I'm going to be doing this for a while. So anyway, that's how you do it. All you need to do is enter, is just leave a comment with the numbers, subscribe. That's also a big important part. Also, one other thing, if you haven't hit that little bell button, I think it's right over there, or over here, over there, somewhere on the bottom there's a bell. And if you could hit that, it gives you notifications. I know I haven't posted anything in a while, but I'm going to be doing this more often. So if you push that bell button, you get notified, and obviously you want to get notified because this kind of stuff is coming out and you want to be a part of it. And another thing is, if you're the first person to leave a comment on my video, I will leave a shout out, which will go down to the link below, or down into the description of this video. So that's pretty cool too, and you want to be the first person for that. And what better way to see the video first than to subscribe and hit the little bell. So anyway, that's going to be that. I will get all the details for this put up on this video. It's either going to be when I mention it or at the end, but you will see it. So a couple other things I do have. So there's a big mess of stuff right here. Believe it or not, this is all the leftover scraps, of making one figure. It was a big trial and error, and I used a ton of materials. So I'm gonna give you a sneak peek because I haven't made the video yet. It's been done for about a week. I just haven't gotten around. I've been really busy. I haven't had time to make the video. So I'm gonna give you a sneak peek right over there in the light. If you can tell, that may or may not be a, what is it, a Praetorian Guard, I do believe. I do recall, yes, it is a Praetorian Guard. If anyone's seen the new Star Wars movie, it's one of Snoke's guards. It was a lot of fun to make. It was pretty hard to make. A lot of stressful moments making that figure, but it's so cool. So I'll probably make a video of that possibly tomorrow, either tomorrow or Wednesday. I actually got a pretty busy week, but I'm gonna make time and I will show you guys. Also, another cool thing is for Christmas, I know it's been quite a time, but I got this stuff called blue stuff. You might have heard of it. If you haven't heard of it, pretty much what you do is you cut up these little cubes, or not cubes, you cut these into cubes, or just cut them smaller. You cut these up, you heat up some water, you kind of mold it like putty, and then you can push pieces into it, and then basically you can make a mold out of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to melt this stuff down, and then push in one of the guns that I made, and basically make a mold out of this gun. And then once I do that, I can put, I don't know if I have it on my table somewhere, I probably don't. You can put all sorts of stuff in there. So I have this putty. It's like a sculpting putty type stuff. I don't know exactly what it is. It's kind of like a 2-part epoxy. In a way, it's not really like a glue, but it hardens. So I'm pretty much trying to make a cast out of these weapons, and then I can make like a ton of these things. And then I might do that too with the Mandalorian blaster. So hopefully I'm going to try to do some more weapons so I can, for one, mass produce them for my own clones. So if I run out, because they stopped making these. Apparently they don't, you know, they don't have, well, I customized this one, but they don't have the Lego weapons anymore, which is kind of sad. So I'll probably have to start making my own, which isn't a problem, but it'll be a lot of fun. I'll definitely make a video on how I'm doing this, like the step-by-step process. I will do a video on that. Also, I am making more, I'm trying to stockpile the weapon pack, or the armor pack. So if you haven't seen those or heard of those, again, if you're new to my channel, there'll be a link to my eBay down below where I have it's basically all the armor and supplies you need to start a custom. It's completely blank. It comes in like the metal, or the plain metal. Don't worry, this doesn't exist. So it comes in the metal, and you can paint it however you want. You just glue it to your figure, and you can make really cool stuff. Also have fabric packs that have these commas in it, and there's all sorts of colors. There's yellow, green, blue, whatnot, what have you. So anyway, I did some other colors. Let me know if you want me to put these on eBay. I was doing some experimental colors over here. So I do have camo, which that one took a while, but I do have some camo, and then I do have orange. These are really cool. So if you're doing like Cody and those boys, orange is cool for that. Then I have gold. Got some gold ones. Those are pretty cool. So if you're interested in any of those or any other colors that I haven't made, just let me know, and I will try to do those. Also, I'm going to try to dedicate more time to answering people and getting back to the comments, because I see them and then I answer a few and then I don't answer a lot more, and just trying to keep up with it is something I'm trying to work on. So I do apologize if people have been waiting for answers. I'm going to dedicate some time to try to answer all the questions if I can. Also, I'm trying to figure out more supplies to sell to help other people out, like tweezer bees. If anyone's interested in these, they're reverse tweezers, and it has kind of this hook into it, so it helps a lot if you're trying to have something dry. You can just, because you don't have to put any pressure on it, and it just holds it for you. So if you're painting something and you don't want to touch the ground, these come in handy. Also, if you're trying to put pieces on a figure, you're trying to, you know, pick something up that's really delicate, okay, and then just hold it on there. It helps a lot. You don't have to sit there and like pinch it. So I can sell these, not this particular brand or this kind, this is really old, but if you're interested in any of the supplies I use, please let me know, and I will try to put those on my eBay channel as well. Someone did mention they wanted me to make another 501st Trooper, which that is more than doable. I do want to make some more figures to sell. Definitely trying to shift more into the business aspect of this. Obviously, I'm going to keep doing YouTube because I love it, and it helps with my business, but I do want to make more figures to sell, and other people can enjoy the customs that I make. So if there's anything that you want to buy, you want to see, let me know also in the description, or leave a comment, and I will try to do that. I also want to make a list of things, like have a plan, have a plan, like a I don't know. I just want to get more organized with the figures that I make and bring the content that you guys want to see. So I have a few more ideas of some stuff coming up that I will get to in other videos when it's closer to that time. Also, my birthday is at the end of this month, so I might start a contest. I think that might be a good time to start a new contest. So let me know what you want. I'm pretty sure I'm going to do another clone contest because those are really awesome and a lot of fun. And if enough people want something different, then let me know. If not, then I'm just going to kind of roll with what I had. Words. I will roll on with what I already have planned. There we go. That is the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I know this is a really long one. Definitely didn't mean it for it to be this huge thing. So anyway, I'm going to leave now. Y'all take care. Have a great, awesome day. God bless. Don't forget to hitchhike this video if you like it. And I will catch you later. Bye.